Okay, here's the easy quick fix on the Keurig Mini. If you're having a problem with it stopping and when you're trying to brew a Keurig cup, if you wake up in the morning, try to make a cup, you fill up the reservoir, put your K-cup in, start it, and it turns off. So you open it, close it again, start it, turns off. You do that a few more times, then finally it'll start pumping and you'll get a cup of coffee. The problem is the cup of coffee is still lukewarm. So the easy fix to that is, as you can see, this reservoir, after we fixed it, still has water in it. That's the way it should be after each cup of coffee. What it's going to automatically do when you make a cup, when you first get this, it'll work for the first few weeks, and every time this reservoir will run dry, which means your pump down here is running dry. That means there's no water in the pump and it's not priming. The way to fix that is, when you start a cup, or the way to reprime it is just to keep this reservoir filled. And when you get to the end of this reservoir, when you've just got a little bit in there, where you know there's still water in here, you got to push the off button. And that's the way to keep this primed every time, and to keep cycling, and to keep making cups of coffee. So, and it may take, I think it took about 2 bottles of water to fill up this entire Keurig and keep it primed to the pump. Now, a problem that caused was leaking underneath this. I think this is a purge hose right here. I think this is to purge the air out, maybe to keep bacteria from growing, or I don't know the reason why, but anyways, it's leaking water out here, and it should go into this drip tray, but because of the surface tension, it was pulling the water back into the bottom of this Keurig. So the way we fixed that was took a bobby pin, clamped it on this hose, and that fixed it right away. So if you have a bobby pin, that's a really easy fix. And like I said, if it doesn't need, since you need to keep the pump primed anyways, there's no reason that water should be coming out of here, as far as I can tell. It may grow bacteria, so there may be, that would be something to check after a few weeks of use. But so far, 3 or 4 cups used, no water's been dripping in the tray, no water's been leaking anywhere. The bobby pin is a perfect fix, and instead of stopping and starting, it will run a cup of coffee every time. There's no stopping of the Keurig. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.